Hey everyone, so I just wanted to share a little trick that I've just stumbled upon. As you can see in the screen above, the Search Console has picked up a fair amount of traffic since the 8th of November. What I've done is I've used ChatGPT to generate daily articles for a Shopify dropshipping website. And it seems to have worked quite well for the moment. So what I'm just going to do is share what I've done, and if that's of any interest to you guys, you can do the same. So essentially what I've done is went into Href and used like a generic keyword. This is silver jewelry. And then I go into the keywords and I check the matching terms. And I see that there's a fair amount of volume on all those keywords, and they are still relevant to the dropshipping store that I have. So what I did was I copied all that into a spreadsheet. Then what I've done is I went into extension app scripts and I created a very simple function which will add a number to that secondary B row every day. I'll use that as a trigger in Zapier to generate an article written by ChatGPT, and I connect that straight away to my Shopify store. So what I've done is I will copy this function into the description below if you guys need it. And then that's what my Zapier setup looks like. So I use the trigger from the Google Sheet and the column A to write the article. I send the prompt to OpenAI, and I use ChatGPT to summarize the text as well for the excerpt. And then I plug my Shopify store in there so that my article gets published daily, every day. That I feel helps build, in Google's eyes, my authority in terms of knowledge, because I keep writing about those subjects and there's a fair amount of content being added. I just did one article per day so that it gets indexed slowly over time and doesn't trigger any big issues. Now, a lot of people are saying that maybe having it completely written by AI would cause problems and stuff like that. To be fair, I haven't seen it for the moment. Maybe something will come up in 6 months or in 3 months' time, but for the moment, sales have doubled and I'm pretty happy about that.